Today I'm going to share with you the recipe for my green juice. I call it my green beauty juice because what I have found from drinking this juice on a daily basis is that it gives me more energy, it boosts my immune system, which I need because I travel a lot, and it also makes my skin glow. Because if you think about it, our skin is our largest organ, and if we are not eating healthy and taking good care of our bodies, it shows up in our skin. So here are the ingredients that you need to put this juice together. First of all, we're gonna start with kale. Now, kale is an excellent source of vitamins A, C, and E, all of which have potent anti-aging antioxidants. Say that 3 times. Antioxidants are a great way of reducing wrinkles because they slow down the aging process and actually help prevent free radical cells from damaging the skin. Next, spinach. This also has the anti-aging benefits of vitamins A and C. And then we have berries, strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries. Berries protect your skin from the damaging effects of the sun, so that's pretty cool too. As the saying goes, an apple a day helps keep the doctor away, and it certainly holds true for green apples because they have long been recognized as one of the healthiest fruits, packed with a variety of nutrients, proteins, vitamins, minerals, and more. I use a Vitamix because the Vitamix breaks down the kale more properly. Then I put in a handful of kale, handful of spinach. Then I put in my berries. And then you want to add lots of water. And the reason being is that if you don't, you're going to have some pretty thick juice. So I like to add at least a little bit over a half of a Vitamix full of water. Turn it on. I always love doing segments with a blender on. It's so much fun. And then I turn it on high. And voila. You have some green juice packed with incredible nutrients, antioxidants, immune booster, and healthy skin glow juice. Cheers.